Hey, I am back with the second part of our road trip near Kolkata. In the first part, we covered the spectacular Maikon Dam and the beautiful Panchet Dam by 12:30, the longest stretch of our journey. To plan your journey, you can call or WhatsApp at 8777658586. Short lunch break is necessary to fuel up ourselves. Post lunch, we head for Garpanchakot. Countryside of Bengal is so beautiful that it seems like painting on a canvas, a blend of beauty and abode of exquisite experience. Panchet to Garpanchakot is 15 km 30 minutes drive via Purulia Chekunda Road and Garpanchakot Dhara Road. Village roads are well maintained and fortunate enough to have GPS most of the parts and few managed with offline navigation. Nested in Purulia district of West Bengal near Panchet Dam with the beautiful backdrop of Panchet Hills, Garpanchakot awaits for you. Panchet Hills are dotted with tropical trees and below flows the Damodar River. Garpanchakot is a dilapidated fort that was once home to the Rajas of Panchkot, the Singdev dynasty, and it is believed that the Rajas lost to Bargis, the Maratha cavalry, who looted and plundered the fort 10 times. The Bargis ransacked and destroyed the place in 18th century and it's been ruined ever since. A group of temples are still standing as mute spectator of fall of the dynasty. The terracotta temple ruins that boast the different architectural styles, the principal one being a Pancharatna temple accompanied by the Jorbangla type and few Pirha type. This one is the Pancharatna style terracotta temple. This Pancharatna temple carries depleted but exquisite piece of artwork on its arches and pillars. Next move towards Jaichandi Pahar, which is about 22 kilometers and 45 minutes drive. The last 1.5 kilometer through Nandura village is really challenging. Bumpy village roads with no navigation, but with the guidance of villagers, we ultimately come to the ground where the entrance is located. This place has gained a significance after shooting the famous Bengali movie Hirak Raja Deshe by Satyajit Ray. The Pahar or hill is named after goddess Jaichandi and a temple dedicated to her is situated at the top. Adjacent to it is Lord Hanumanji's temple. To seek blessing from God and goddesses, one has to climb around 500 steps. The view from the top is stunning and worth all the effort. It is a scenic place. This hill is also famous for rock climbing campus. There is no entry charge levied to climb up the hill. .360-degree view from the top is really amazing. You will amaze to see the valley in bird's eye. Add-ons are the ruins of an old fort that is also so beautiful. Today's last spot is Baranti, is about 29 kilometers with fairly good roads throughout the countryside of Bengal. This place is known for its tranquil atmosphere and scenic surrounding. A beautiful lake nestled between towering mountain and lush greenery, a secluded haven in the lap of Gorongi Hills. The village is surrounded by Panchakot Hills at one side and Badrinath Hills on the other. This area falls under the irrigation project of Ramchandrapur. It is almost dusk and we are on our way back to Kolkata. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and for more information contact us at 8777658586. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. Till then, goodbye, take care and see you soon.